Central Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northwestern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Uniata County in central Pennsylvania, eastern Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Montour County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Lycoming County in north central Pennsylvania, Columbia County in central Pennsylvania, eastern central Pennsylvania, northwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, southeastern Sullivan County in north central Pennsylvania, eastern Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Milton to near New Buffalo to near Newville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomsburg, Sunbury, Shamokin, Milton, Lewisburg, Salisbury, Danville, Northumberland, Kaufman, Plainfield, Slusser, Winfield, Millersburg, Marysville, Muncie, Watsontown, Ellisburg, Fairview, Ferndale, Huntingtonville, and Riverside. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Mile Run and Berwick Lime Ridge, Texas, specifically for mile markers 208 to 237. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 213 to 220, Interstate 180 for mile markers 1 to 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: